Namaste, IJV and Dr. Juhi Singh, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, Department Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences. So our topic is continuation of the balanced diet. So now vitamin B12, which is called as a riboflavin, function of the riboflavin in the growth, nerve function, digestion, work with the protein for the maintenance, energy metabolism, sources milk, grains, green vegetables, meat and fish, prevent premature aging, coliasis, no toxicity can occur, venosus ciliosis, a disorder of the lip marked by the scaling and fissures at the corner of the mouth caused by lack of the deficiency of riboflavin. Vitamin B3 niacin function promote healthy skin tissues, digestion or nervous system. Sources are from the milk, grain, poultry, fish, prevention for the pellagra. The inability to absorb the niacin B3 in the amino acid tryptophan may cause the scaly sores, cellular degeneration, mucus pH imbalance and the mental barriers. Vitamin B6 pyridoxine function like healthy brain function, promotion of the red blood cell, immune system, support sources beans, legumes, nuts, seed, egg, meat, fish, help fight in infection. Vitamin B9, folacin, folic acid and folate, function age-related, memory, vision, hearing, loss, promote healthy red blood cell, maintain body enzymes, sources beans, legumes, citrus fruits, green vegetable, grains, meat, poultry, egg, liver, prevents neural tube birth defect, anemia, vitiligo skin disorder. Vitiligo is skin disorder condition in which there is a loss of brown color pigment from the area of the skin resulting in irregular white patches cause of white patches caused by the lack of deficiency of vitamin B and folic acid and other vitamins such as B12, copper and zinc. Vitamin B12 cobalamin function like healthy red blood cell, marrow nervous system functions, sperm production, strong immune system, improve mental energy, memory protection, protect against allergies, toxins. Sources milk, eggs, dairy products, fish, shellfish, prevent pernicious intestinal malnutrition, toxicity, slight stomach upset, pernicious anemia, chronic disease caused by the lack of deficiency in vitamin B12, typified by abnormally large red blood cell, disturb the nervous system causing depression or drowsiness, deficiency and supplements like the normal RDA for the mineral and vitamins are calcium 1 to 2 gram per day, iron 28 to 30 milligram per day, vitamin A to 2400 to 3000 IU per day, vitamin E 10 to 15 mg per day, vitamin D 400 to 500 international unit per day, vitamin K 50 to 80 microgram per day, vitamin C 40 milligram per day, vitamin B12 3 to 2 gram mcg microgram per day, sodium 2 to 3 gram per day. What if all these nutrients are lacking in our diet? Although all the mentioned vitamins are present in our diet, but somehow other their absorption is not proper because of the lack of vitamin C might lead to proper absorption of iron, lack of vitamin D led to the calcium deficiency, heavy bleeding during the menstrual leading to the anemia. So one cannot depend completely upon the food to meet the RDA. Here, supplement play an important role. It provides all the necessary amount of the nutrient to our body Dietary supplement benefit to enhance the immune system, antioxidant, reduce risk of CAD and stroke, decrease risk of cancer, decrease risk of cataract, arthritis, macular degeneration and Alzheimer, improvement other chronic diseases. Water is your body's most important nutrient and is involved in every body function, make up to 70 to 75% of the total body weight. Water helps you to maintain body temperature, metabolize body fat, aids in digestion, lubricants and cushions, organs transport nutrients and flushes toxins from the body. Daily minimum 10 to 12 glasses of water soluble should be taken. First, physical exercises daily 30 to 45 minutes. The physical exercises should be done by 3 to 4 hours per week. Physical exercises can be of two types: walking, jogging, swimming, aerobics, yoga, cycling. Tip of the healthy diet is a well-balanced diet including food from all the nutrients, including food from all the nutrients in the correct form. Engage in regular physical exercises at least 30 minutes. Positive attitude, keep smiling always. Just take tips for the healthy diets. Next is malnutrition. So malnutrition refers to the getting too little or too much certain nutrients. It can lead to the serious health issues including stunted growth, eye problems, diabetes, heart diseases. Malnutrition affects billions of the people worldwide, and some population have a high risk of developing certain type of malnutrition depending on their environment, lifestyle and resources. We all know that what is malnutrition is a condition that results from nutrient deficiency or overconsumption. Types of malnutrition: undernutrition. This type of nutrition results in not getting enough protein, calories, micronutrients. This led to the low weight for the height, wasting, high of the age, turning weight for the age, underweight, overnutrition, overconsumption of certain nutrients such as protein, calories, fat can also lead to malnutrition. This usually results overweight and obesity. People who are undernutrition, often deficiency of vitamins and minerals, especially iron, zinc and vitamin A and iodine. However, micronutrient deficiencies can occur with the overnutrition. It's possible to be overweight or obese from excessive calories consumption but not get enough vitamins and minerals at the same time. That because food can contribute to overnutrition, such as fried and sugary food, tend to be high in calories and fat but low in other nutrients. The signs and symptoms of the malnutrition depend on the types. Being able to recognize the effect of malnutrition can help people and healthcare provider identify and treat the issues related to the over the nutrition. Undernutrition typically result from not getting enough nutrients in your diet. This is caused weight loss, loss of fat and muscle mass, hollow cheeks, sunken eyes, hollow stomach, dry hairs, skin, delayed wound healing, fatigue, difficult concentration, irritability, depression and anxiety. People with undernutrition may have one or several of these symptoms. Some types of the undernutrition have the signature effect. Kwashiorkor, a severe protein deficiency cause fluid retention and protruding abdomen. On the other hand, the condition Marasmus is the result of the severe calorie deficiency, lead to the wasting and significant of the fat and muscle loss. Undernutrition can also result from micronutrients deficiency. Some of the most common deficiency of their symptoms are vitamin A, dry eyes, night blindness, increased risk of infection, zinc, loss of appetite, stunted growth, delayed healing of wound, hair loss and diarrhea, iron, impaired brain function, issues is with the regulating blood temperature, stomach problem, iodine and large thyroid gland goiter, disease, production of the thyroid hormone, growth and development issues, since undernutrition lead to the serious physical issues and health promotions and health problems it can increase your risk of death. In fact, it is estimated the stunning wasting zinc and vitamin A deficiency contribute up to the 45 of the child death. Overnutrition is the main sign of undernutrition is overweight and obesity, but it can also lead to nutrient deficiency. Research shows that the people who are overweight and obese are more likely to inadequate intake and low food level of certain vitamins and minerals compared to those who are normal weight. One of the study in a 285 adolescent found that blood level of vitamin A and E in the obese people were 2 to 10% lower than those of the normal weight participants. This is likely because overweight obesity can result overconsumption of the fast and processed food that is high calories and fat but low in other nutrients. A study of over 17,000 people and adults and children found those who eat fast food had significantly low intake of vitamin A and C and high calories, fat, sodium consumption than those who abstain from this type of food. Assessing of the malnutrition, symptoms of malnutrition assessed by the healthcare providers, they can screen the condition. Tools that can use to identify malnutrition include weight loss, body mass index chart, blood test of the micronutrient status and the physical exams. If you have the history of the weight loss and other symptoms associated with the undernutrition, your doctors may order additional tests to identify the micronutrient deficiency. Identifying nutrient deficiency that result over nutrition, on the other hand, it can be more difficult if you are overweight and obese and eat mostly processed and fast food. You may not get enough vitamin or mineral. To find out if you have not nutrient deficiency, consider discuss your dietary habit with your doctors or a physician. Symptoms of undernutrition include weight loss, fatigue, irritability, micronutrient deficiency. Overnutrition can result overweight, obesity and lower intake of certain vitamins and minerals. So long-term effect malnutrition can lead to the development of diseases and chronic health conditions. Long-term effects of the undernutrition include the higher risk of obesity and disease and diabetes. Another study of 50 adolescents in the Brazil found that the boy who had stunted growth as a result of undernutrition healthy early life gained 5% more fat mass over the year compared to their peers who did not have the stunning addition of research found that 21% of the adolescent was with the stunted growth in the Brazil and high blood pressure compared to that less than 10% of adolescents without stunting. Researchers suspect the children undernutrition cause the changes in the metabolism which can lead to the higher livelihood and developing chronic diseases later in the life. Overnutrition can contribute to the development of certain health issues. Specifically, overweight of the obese children have higher chances of the heart disease and type 2 diabetes. So, there is a common cause of malnutrition. So, the malnutrition is the worldwide problem that can result in environmental, economic, and medical condition. The WHO estimates that 460 million adult and 150 million children are undernutrition, while more than 2 billion adult and children are overweight or obese. So common causes like food insecurity or lack of access of sufficient affordable food, digestive problem and issue with the nutrient problems, excessive alcohol consumption, mental health health disorder, inability to obtain and prepare the food. So that thank you so much. That's about this topic. Namaste. If you have any query, just comment below.